Good morning to all. Today we are discussed about classification of routing protocols in ADAC wireless network. Routing protocols for ADAC wireless network can be classified into several types. Okay. So first of all we discussed the what are the different types of routing protocols, and again we discussed briefly each and every routing protocol. So the first routing protocols, the classification is based on topology information organization and based on use of temporarily information routing and based on routing information update mechanism and miscellaneous classification based on the utilization of specific resources. So these are the several classifications of routing protocols, and again based on the topology information organization, again we classified into three types. One is table driven routing protocol, and another one is on demand routing protocol, and another one is hybrid routing protocol. So coming to the table driven routing protocol, these are the proactive routing protocols. So and coming to the on demand routing protocol, these are the reactive routing protocol, and a hybrid routing protocol is a combination of both table driven routing protocol and on demand routing protocol. Okay. So in the case of table driven routing protocol, each and every node we can maintain some information. Okay. So that information is nothing but a topology information. Okay. So in the form of tables. Okay. So that's why these protocols can be called it as table driven routing protocol. Okay. So and coming to the on demand routing protocol, do not maintain the network topology information. Okay. Obtain the necessary path when it is required by using the connection establishment process. So in the case of on demand routing protocol, so here there is no need to store the topology information at a node. So here the path is required whenever the path is required by using the connection establishment process. So that's why this protocol can be called it as a reactive protocols. So in the case of a third one, hybrid routing protocol. So these hybrid routing protocols will be combined best features of the above two categories. Okay. So that so whatever the advantages is taken in the table driven as well as on demand routing protocol, those advantages will used in hybrid routing protocols. So these are the several examples followed by the table driven and on demand routing protocol and hybrid routing protocols. So we will discuss the latter one by one. And another classification is based on the use of temporarily information routing. So this is the another routing protocol. So that here the again we classified into two types of protocols. One is path selection using past history. So and another one is path selection using prediction. Okay. So these are the two protocols, two classifications. So in the case of based on temporarily information routing. Okay. So these are the several examples belonging to these classifications. Okay. So then another one is based on the routing information update mechanism. So these are the two types of routing information update mechanism. One is flat routing and another one is hierarchical routing. Okay. So these are the several examples in the case of flat routing and in the case of hierarchical routing. Okay. So and another one is power awareness routing protocol and routing using geographical information, and another one is routing with efficient flooding mechanism. So these are the several classifications of routing protocols, and next video we discussed one by one about these protocols.